Hi, my name is Paul Skeeth, and I'm a business lawyer practicing in Austin, Texas. This week, I'm talking about how businesses can comply with the Texas Identity Theft Enforcement and Protection Act. This law requires businesses to implement and maintain reasonable procedures to protect the sensitive personal information of their customers and employees from unauthorized use, disclosure, or destruction. In this video, I'll suggest a few tips on how to comply with this law and avoid penalties and lawsuits. First, you need to identify what kind of sensitive personal information your business collects, stores, or transmits. This includes any information that can be used to identify a person, such as name, address, social security number, driver's license number, bank account number, credit card number, or medical records. You also need to consider any information that can be used to access a person's financial accounts or online accounts, such as passwords, PINs, security questions, or biometric data. Second, you need to implement and maintain reasonable security measures to protect this information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, or destruction. This means you need to use tools like encryption, firewalls, and antivirus software to safeguard your data. You also need to limit access to this information to those who need it for legitimate business purposes only, and to train these employees on how to handle it properly. You should also have a written policy for disposing of this information securely when it's no longer needed. Third, you will need to notify all affected individuals if you discover a security breach. You must notify the affected persons as soon as possible, but no later than 60 days after you discover the breach. You must also notify the Texas Attorney General within the same time frame if the breach affects at least 250 Texas residents. You should provide information about the nature and extent of the breach, the measures you have taken to mitigate harm, and the contact information for your business in the notification. The Act is complicated, and these tips don't cover all possible scenarios, but they're a good first step towards protecting your customers, your employees, and your business's reputation.